Hello guys, welcome back to another inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix error code 721 in Battlefront 2. Now, if you're getting the 721 error in Battlefront 2 here, well, there are a few things that you could actually try here to fix this issue. So usually if you're getting the 721 error code here, this is what it typically looks like. Now, what you need to do here is you wanna basically click on the OK button here, and again, you should be able to see the homepage. Now, what you need to do is you wanna look for the connect button, usually at the top left of your screen here. Now, you wanna go and just click on the connect button again and again, and it should basically start connecting here. Now, to be speaking, this will not work the first time. You may need to repeat this at least 5 times. Now, some people actually get this fix around the 10th time they try doing this. So to be speaking, you just need to repeatedly click on the connect button again and again, and that should actually solve any of your issues here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.